Hello and welcome to Computer Class. My name is Dave, and today we're talking about how to use Google Takeout. Now, what exactly is Google Takeout? It is a way that you can download from your Google account all of your information and then transfer it to another Google account. Let me show you what I mean here. If you go to Google Takeout and click on the link there, and sign in with your username and password, which I have already done of my computer class online email. Maybe I want to download my Google Access Log activity, my calendar, my bookmarks, something from this account. Perhaps all the things in my drive like my doc sheets and slides. Google my business information, photos, lots of things in here that you might want to download. So what's selected here is all 42. Now I may not want all of that. So if I deselect all of these and then go down and select the ones that I want, like let's say I want my bookmarks and my drive, okay? What this is going to allow me to do is when I go to step 2, create a package that can be downloaded, and then I can upload it to another email. And so I actually have 2 emails open. Let me show you that. This is my first email that I'm downloading from, and I want to transfer the information to this email over here. Okay, and actually I should switch sides. There we go. All right, so I want to transfer the information to this other email here. So I'm downloading from one email address to another one. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom here and press on the next step. And then it's going to say what's the frequency that you want to do this. You could have it set up so it exports every 2 months for a year. In other words, 6 exports. You can change the file type from a zip to TGZ. And you can change the size that can be opened there. So basically, I'm going to put this on the highest level here. We'll just go back to 2, whatever, that's fine. And I'm going to hit create export. And when I do this, it says your account or your data, export a copy of your content and back it up from Google. And it says that this export could take possibly hours or days to complete. So let's kind of go over to the Gmail section here of the account and see. There we go. Here it is, Google Takeout. If you would like to get a hold of this information, your Google Takeout information is ready to be downloaded. And I hit download your files. When I press that, shows me there it is. It's only 39 megabytes. This isn't going to take that long. It's downloading the zip file of the account information that I just asked for. So now we kind of want to get this information into here, drag that to my desktop, right click, extract all, and I'm going to drop it right here on the desktop. There it is. In my takeout folder, I have the drive, and there's all the stuff that I've done in my drive. I have Chrome, and this is all the information. If I want, I could sync this with Chrome and be fine. But for now, let's just dump this information into this Google Drive here. Okay. So here we go. We'll take this, and here it's even got, I might rename it. Let's give it the date. 12/26/21. There we go. Okay, so now I know this is a takeout export, and I said it's just an email backup. I made a folder in my drive, and I'm going to drop it in there. And there I have uploaded my files. If I ever need this for any information sake, like let's say I want to back up one account to another one, or I want to move some photos, or I'm going to in fact delete my old Gmail account, this is a great way to do that. And so that's how you use Google Takeout. Hopefully this information was helpful. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.